Okay, I'm here with my good friend Dan Bernier, and you and I have known each other for like the last 2 or 3 years, but I feel like I've known you for a long time. Why is that?
I don't know, maybe it's because I look older than I actually am.
You're just an easy guy to be with, and I've been a great supporter of SAAR, and we really appreciate what you're doing. Tell us a little bit about yourself and your company, Dan.
Well, right on, thank you, Tom, and I'm glad to support SAAR, just, in all the shops in Saskatchewan. This has been a really good project for us. Everyone's been really receptive. The shops here are friendly, awesome to deal with, and we try to be a good supplier. Our main thing that we deal right now is the Adhesive Templates. So all the shops in Saskatchewan are aware of it right now. We basically cut two-sided tape so that you can easily retape the emblem instead of throwing it away and getting a new one. So we've been doing that for over a year now. Guys are getting used to it, and I think we've done a good job being a good supporter for the shops. It'd be easy for returns and easy to ship out. We're trying to do the best we can to be awesome suppliers, right? Next up, we also have another product coming at some point in the new year to Canada. Kind of goes in the same vein, is that we're trying to prevent parts from being replaced. So there's a lot of things that over the years we've just learned that, oh, this is damaged, let's just throw it away and let's get a new one. Though at a body shop level, we like that. We like new parts. Big picture, it's not really the right thing always to do, right? So the templates was an example of that. We've been throwing away nameplates for years, and now we can reuse them, right? The next one is on headlights now. So one of the things we have is an engineered headlight tab, custom made for specific headlights. So, we get all different types of accidents out there where headlights are smashed into bits and left on the highway. Obviously, that needs a new headlight. We also get, thank you, Tom.
That's one of them there, right?
This is actually the lower outer on a Silverado. And we also get where a small accident, for example, on this truck, gets hit in the fender and it just cracks the lower tab. And now we get a new headlight. When the reality is we just have a small piece of plastic broken on the attachment. But the issue has always been we really can't repair it properly. It's convoluted, it's heavy duty plastic. If we weld it, the welds always fail. So here we are as an industry, we put a new headlight on. So what we're doing is now we can repair this at the shop level. Maybe we can save a few jobs from being written off. We're not taking a whole headlamp that made its way all the way around the world. Think where it started from, right? And ended up in Detroit and coming up to our shops here, and now we're tossing in the garbage. We're going to put that headlight back on. And for the customer, we're returning back the headlight that was already on there. But we're doing it in a way that is easy to do. It takes minutes for the shops to do it. It's not complex. We have great instructions. So we can put a new tab on this headlight now and put it back into service.
That's awesome. So you guys are kind of always looking for new and innovative ways to repair vehicles.
That's exact. Great lead in, Tom. Thank you. Is that really that's what our goal is to not throw parts away. And how can we repair parts? And there's a lot of good programs out there like BTAG. You've done work with BTAG before, right? And along that same lines, is that we're looking for things out there that can reduce the amount of things we replace.
Danny, I really appreciate you and all the support you give in SAAR, and we wish you all the success.
Thank you very much, awesome.
You bet.
Appreciate it.